Mastering the modal verbs for ability and permission. Today's video focuses on a crucial structure for spoken English. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on our weekly lessons. Today, we're diving into a must-know structure that will transform your spoken English. Whether you are chatting with friends, at a job interview, or giving a presentation, mastering this structure can greatly boost your fluency and confidence. So, let's get started. Modal verbs are incredibly powerful in English, especially when discussing abilities or asking for permission. Today, we'll focus on two key modal verbs, can and may. Understanding when and how to use these verbs will help you sound more like a native speaker. Section 1. Introduction to modal verbs. First up, let's talk about can. Can is used to express ability and possibility. For example, I can swim. This means I have the ability to swim. Easy, right? Now, may is slightly more formal and often used to ask for or give permission. For example, may I leave the room? Means you are asking for permission to leave the room. Section 2. Common mistakes and usage. One common mistake learners make is confusing can and may. Remember, can is for ability and may is for permission. Another tip is to use can for informal situations and may when you want to be more formal or polite. Section 3. Practice scenarios. Let's put this into practice with a few scenarios. Imagine you are at a friend's house. Asking to use the bathroom with, "Can I use your bathroom?" is perfectly acceptable. However, if you're in a formal meeting, you might say, "May I use the restroom?" To keep it polished and respectful. Section 4. Interactive quiz. Now, it's your turn to try. I'll say a sentence, and you decide if can or may should be used. Ready? Here we go. 1. ______ I speak to the manager. What do you think? If you said may because it's polite and formal, you're correct. 2. I _____ eat spicy food. If you chose can, that's right. It's about ability. Great job today. You've learned a crucial structure in English that will help you sound more fluent and confident. Keep practicing, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Before you go, drop a comment below with a sentence using can or may. I'd love to see what you come up with. And if you enjoyed this lesson, give us a thumbs up and share it with someone who's learning English too. Remember, every week we tackle new topics, so stay tuned. Until next time, keep practicing and happy learning.